Okay guys, so I'm gonna reveal that what is my real language. I'm from Philippines. So, ano pa? Let me go to school right now. Bye-bye. See you later. After school. That was tiring, guys. Diba? Diba, guys? Well, manon ako. Matutunan ako. Okay, tapos na. So, next, guys, mas-study na ta, Just kidding. Wait, did I actually know? Wait, guys. So, guys, it didn't work. So, guys, marunong naman kung second video. So, goodbye na.